Hopper with Sling and Hopper 3 customers are fortunate enough to have Netflix integrated into their set-top boxes. And with a single command into your voice remote, Netflix. There you are. Now, isn't that a ton easier than switching back and forth between inputs on your TV? Now, let's pick something to watch. Press and hold the voice button on the right side of your remote. Let's watch Bob's Burgers. You'll notice the search results are numbered. Use your keypad to pick an episode. You can also hit skip forward to get a show summary, info on the cast, and parental guides in case there are little ones around. The search results are integrated, so they include Netflix, on-demand, live TV, and what's already on your DVR. Finding a show or movie using Dish's voice remote is so easy. Just say the word.